Welcome, Namaste, Vanakkam. Happy to see you all again through this video. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, stress-free student life. A recent study found that 65% of the students feel stressed. In this video, we will see what is stress, reasons for stress, symptoms of stress, how to beat stress and lead a stress-free student life. First of all, let us see what is stress. Stress is a feeling of emotional or physical tension. Stress is your body's reaction to a challenge or demand. It can come from any event or thought that make you feel frustrated, angry, or nervous. Though stress is useful sometimes to complete a task, mostly stress is harmful. Now let's see the reasons for stress. The first and foremost reason is examination. The moment student hears about examination, stress starts. Even though the student has prepared very well for the examinations and revised, the moment timetable is announced, his stress starts owing to the outcome of result. He is worried about his marks or what my parents expect. So in this way his stress increases. Similarly, deadlines of completion of tasks, too much homework and other assignments, pressure of studies and future goals also cause stress. This is all due to poor time management and poor organization. If you are not organized properly in your studies, in your work, in completion of tasks, stress increases. Another important reason is parental pressure and peer pressure. Another important reason is tension at home. That also causes stress. Finally, but it is very important, poor sleep schedule due to online social activities also a major reason for stress. Now let us see few symptoms of stress. This will give you an idea whether you are stressed or not. First of all, there is a feeling of discouragement. Next, lack of confidence, change of sleep pattern, deterioration of physical appearances, unusual weight gain or loss, lower IQ, frustration, impatience, unusual and unexpected crying spell, and excessive worries and negative thoughts. Even if you may not have all the 10 symptoms, if you have one or two symptoms, that shows you are stressed. Especially if you have the symptom number 10, excessive worries and negative thoughts, you are stressed. Now let us see how to beat stress. We can beat stress by a healthy diet, exercise and helping parents at home, meditation and breathing techniques, taking a break, avoiding too much social media, good sleep, avoiding addictive substances, listening to music, laughing, and being positive. Let us see one by one. First of all, a healthy diet. It may be hard to believe, but a healthy diet is good to boost your immune system, so can help reducing stress. But you must take a lot of fruits and vegetables, which are very much essential to boost the immune system, thereby which can reduce stress. But you have to avoid junk foods. Though they are very much attractive, they make you more stressed. Next important aspect is exercise and helping parents at home. Doing simple exercise can help beat stress. Even walking for 30 minutes can bring good result. Similarly, helping parents at home releases stress and brings a good understanding with them. If you have not tried this till today, why not try from today? Next, meditation and breathing techniques. Meditation can really beat stress. It calms down the mind. Similarly, breathing techniques can boost oxygen intake and beat stress. Another important aspect is having regular break. Short break during daily studies is essential to reduce stress. If you are studying for longer hours, you should take small breaks. Similarly, you should switch over to different subjects to reduce stress. Another important aspect is you should take long break at least once in a month with family, which can help reduce the stress. But the place you are visiting must be natural environment like park or other areas so that you can reduce the stress. Another important aspect is social media. Avoiding social media. Sociability is fun, but too much of it and too much computer time can lead to too much stress. Next, you should have a good sleep to beat stress. Though stress and sleep are opposite, but sleep is the best medicine for beating stress. So you must have enough sleep. Another important aspect is avoiding addictive substances. Some indulge tobacco as smoking or using gutka to fight stress. But nicotine present in the tobacco increases stress by suppressing the hormone serotonin, which helps in reducing stress. So all addictive substances must be avoided. Next, it is very interesting listening to music. Students love it. Listening to music can calm your mind and reduce the stress. But if the music is too much noisy, it will create stress. Next, laughing. Laughing out loudly increases oxygen level and blood flow, which reduces stress. So laugh out and get relief from the stress. Last but not the least, trying to see the positive side of the life. Though there may be negativity in and around you, you should see the positive side of your life. Positive mindset can beat stress. If something cannot be achieved or failures are just happening, instead of worrying, just look back your achievements and successes and be positive. The mantra is think positive and be positive. I hope you enjoyed this video. Cheer up, lead a stress-free student life. I wish you all the best for your successful future. Thank you very much.